Hello everyone, I Like Tomatoes here, and welcome to Renaissance Park. This is a video game about the real Renaissance Park in Essex, Maryland. Actually, oh my goodness, I'm out of breath walking in this goddamn snow. This is the aftermath of that blizzard. I'm here in Maryland, in Essex, down in Renaissance Park, literally right behind the houses I live in, the townhomes. Sorry if the sun killed you. No, I mean, like the aftermath. I mean, like as in like the blizzard stopped 2 days ago, but you know, its effects are still very much here. Oh, we got little doggy prints too. Look at this. I made these tracks during the blizzard. They're all filled up now. Holy crap, dude. We got so much snow. It's like a German Shepherd was walking through here. Look at these. This is my foot. Okay, I'm 5'11". I have a 12-inch foot. And these are freaking dog prints. Must have been like a border collie, freaking German Shepherd, golden retriever lab mix. Look at this. All the way up my ankle, almost to the knee. But the snow's barely even started melting yet. It's Monday. Didn't have to go to school. Apparently not gonna have to go to school tomorrow. I'll tell you what. If you ever want to get a shoe that looks cool and has very nice traction walking in the snow, pick yourself up some nice retro 97s. Jordan retro 97s. These things are great in the snow. Look at this one. It's just about up to my knee. Oh my god. It's got the hill to the playground over here. I mean, holy crap. Here we go. This isn't too deep. Gotta watch out around here. There's a sewage pipe that'll have a big dip in it. It's not a sewage pipe, actually. It's just like a pipe. Like just a pipe that's just kind of there. Like one end is around that area, then it comes out the other end. And nothing's in there. I think it's just to help the water drain into this hole with it. There's a grate under all this. Oh my god. This insanity. Ooh, okay. This is why I want to be in the military. I want to be an Arctic sniper marine. They exist. Like special ops shit, Marines in the Arctic with snipers. That'd be my line of work. Boy. Okay, these are up to my knees now. Oh, come on. There we go. God damn. Made it. Oh my god. Look at this. They tried to dig out the slide. Whoa. And they almost succeeded. I mean, they got most of it out. But oh my god. Oh. Don't judge me. I weigh 280 pounds. I'm fat. Look at this. Not my actual face, though. This is. And of course, I'm wearing the retro 97s I have that have holes where the pinkies are, so there's snow getting in there. Both pinkies numb to death. Probably gonna have frostbite. Look at this. No, really, I mean, look at it. Snow. Oh my god. If I put my hand in there, it goes all the way, it almost goes up to the shoulder. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. At least the slides aren't slippery as fuck anymore. A couple days ago, like when the blizzard was at its lowest, I was out here with my friend Eddie. Well, I mean, not really at its lowest. It just kind of just started. I was out here with my friend Eddie. We were up here playing. Slippery as hell. I wanted to get footage of like the snow and everything, but the case I got number one, it's not waterproof. No, but number two is the really big thing I mean, I was hoping it was one of the cases that came with, like, you know, a little plastic screen protector, so I could at least, like, you know, take it out in the rain or in the snow. But, you know, it didn't come with one, so I'm probably just gonna buy one separately. Actually, I was thinking about getting the Lumia 640, because currently I'm using the Nokia Lumia 635. Amazing phone, by the way. I've always loved Bill Gates phones. I love any phone, really. as long as it's touchscreen, as long as it is a smartphone. And I mean, I've never had an iPhone. I've always wanted an iPhone, you know. I mean, I've never even had the first generation iPhone. I've never had an iPod. Yeah, you heard me. I've never had anything Apple in my life, except for the kind that you dip in caramel from McDonald's. Oh man. But recently from Best Buy, I did order something. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, so get ready for another unboxing. I'm still waiting. I'm waiting on some stuff so that I can maybe, you know, record at better quality. I'm waiting on a camera and a mic and a headset, some other stuff that should make everything good, a lot better than it is now. I really want to get an Elgato, but I do not have just that kind of money. Like, goddamn, like shit, for real. I'm sorry, is that the sun? Does that hurt? Yeah, I'll go ahead and do this then. I don't even know if I want to go back down there. Oh God. I'm gonna see if I can set my phone up, maybe somewhere up here, and I'm gonna go jump in the snow. Oh man, I mean, look, I'm not wearing a hoodie, I'm not wearing a coat, I'm just wearing my thin fucking jacket, thin as fuck, you know, khakis, my Jordans, and my head. That's all I'm wearing. All right, pause. Just kidding, Dashy, don't kill me. All right, if I can just find a way put this up, maybe like that. All right, let me see how that looks. Oh my God, I really want to be careful to make sure it's not going to slip down and fall in the snow that's directly under it, because that would kill it. That would probably kill my phone. All right. Can you guys see that? All right, it's good enough. Here we go. Oh shit. Yeah, I might. All right. Oh my God. Oh shit. It's like quicksand. Fuck. Ugh. Need to get a tripod. Need to get one rated for weather. A weather-rated tripod. Oh man. Oh man, I wanna. Hold on, I wanna get all the snow off my hands before I touch my phone again. Here we go. All right. So that. I hope that was successful. I'm not gonna be able to see until I get the video dealt with. But I just jumped in the snow. Not too bad, actually. You know, no frostbite yet, no hypothermia or nothing yet, so I'm not gonna die. But wow. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this little sort of fun in the snow blizzard aftermath video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want, you know, leave a comment. If you want, you can do all those things, but of course, you don't have to, you know. Don't forget there is also a dislike button If you don't like it, you know, just go and, if you want, just go and press it. And while that's happening, never let this next comment escape your mind. Tomatize the world.